Hey guys, today we will discuss about best ways to get rid of anemia. So let's start the video. Anemia affects billions worldwide. It's a condition where the body lacks enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to tissues. This can lead to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, it can even be life-threatening. Iron deficiency is a leading cause of anemia. Iron is crucial for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Other nutrients, like vitamin B12, folate, and vitamin C, also play vital roles in red blood cell production and overall blood health. The good news is that anemia is often preventable and treatable with lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments. By focusing on consuming iron-rich foods, maximizing iron absorption, and addressing potential deficiencies, you can significantly improve your blood health and overall well-being. Remember, addressing anemia is not just about alleviating symptoms. It's about empowering your body to function at its best. Iron is a mineral that acts as a building block for hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is essential for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. When your body lacks iron, it cannot produce enough hemoglobin, leading to various anemic symptoms. There are two types of dietary iron: heme and non-heme iron. Heme iron, found in animal products like red meat, poultry, and fish, is more easily absorbed by the body. Non-heme iron, found in plant-based foods like lentils, spinach, and tofu, is less bioavailable. Understanding the difference between heme and non-heme iron can help you make informed choices about your diet. Combining iron-rich plant foods with sources of vitamin C can significantly enhance non-heme iron absorption. By incorporating a variety of iron-rich foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential building blocks for healthy red blood cell production and combat iron deficiency anemia. One of the most effective natural strategies to combat anemia is to include plenty of iron-rich foods in your diet. Lean meats, especially beef, are excellent sources of heme iron. Poultry, like chicken and turkey, also contribute to your iron intake. Plant-based sources of iron should not be overlooked. Legumes, including lentils, beans, and chickpeas, are packed with iron and other essential nutrients. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are also good sources of non-heme iron. Incorporate these iron-rich foods into your meals regularly. Combine them with vitamin C-rich foods for optimal absorption. Remember, a varied and balanced diet is key to meeting your nutritional needs and preventing anemia. By making conscious choices about your food, you can provide your body with the necessary iron to produce healthy red blood cells and improve your overall health. While consuming iron-rich foods is crucial, maximizing iron absorption is equally important. Vitamin C plays a vital role in enhancing the body's ability to absorb non-heme iron from plant-based sources. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well-known sources of vitamin C. Bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli are also excellent additions to your diet to boost iron absorption. Try squeezing lemon juice over your spinach salad or adding a side of berries to your breakfast cereal. These simple additions can significantly improve your body's ability to utilize the iron from plant-based foods. Remember, pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources is a simple yet powerful strategy to enhance iron absorption and combat iron deficiency anemia naturally. Section 5: Folate and B12 Essential Partners. While iron may be the star player in combating anemia, folate and vitamin B12 are essential supporting actors. These nutrients are crucial for DNA synthesis and red blood cell production. Folate is abundant in leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, legumes, and fortified grains. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. Deficiencies in folate or vitamin B12 can lead to a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia, where red blood cells become abnormally large and don't function properly. Ensure you're consuming adequate amounts of these vitamins through a balanced diet or supplements if needed. By incorporating folate and vitamin B12-rich foods into your meals, you provide your body with the necessary tools to produce healthy red blood cells and prevent anemia. Section 6: Avoiding iron absorption inhibitors. While focusing on consuming iron-rich foods is crucial, it's equally important to be aware of factors that can hinder iron absorption. Certain foods and beverages can interfere with this process, making it harder for your body to utilize dietary iron effectively. Tannins, found in tea and coffee, are known to inhibit iron absorption. Calcium, although essential for bone health, can also interfere with iron absorption when consumed in large amounts. Phytates, present in whole grains and legumes, can also reduce iron uptake. While it's not necessary to eliminate these foods entirely, be mindful of their timing and quantity. For instance, avoid drinking tea or coffee with meals, especially those rich in iron. Choose calcium-rich foods and beverages separate from iron-rich meals. By being aware of these inhibitors and making simple adjustments to your eating habits, you can optimize your body's ability to absorb and utilize iron effectively. Beyond dietary modifications, certain lifestyle changes can significantly impact your body's ability to absorb iron efficiently. These adjustments, when combined with a balanced diet, can make a substantial difference in preventing and combating anemia. Regular exercise, even moderate-intensity activities like brisk walking or cycling, can improve blood circulation and enhance iron absorption. This increased blood flow helps transport nutrients, including iron, more effectively throughout the body. Furthermore, maintaining a healthy weight is essential for optimal iron absorption. Being overweight or obese can lead to inflammation and hormonal imbalances that may interfere with iron utilization. By incorporating regular physical activity and maintaining a healthy weight, you create a more favorable environment for your body to absorb and utilize iron, ultimately promoting healthy red blood cell production. While moderate exercise can benefit individuals with anemia by improving circulation and iron absorption, strenuous physical activity requires careful consideration. Intense workouts demand higher oxygen intake, which can be challenging for individuals with compromised red blood cell counts. Listen to your body's signals during exercise. If you experience excessive fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, or chest pain, stop the activity and rest. It's crucial to avoid pushing yourself beyond your limits, especially if you're experiencing anemic symptoms. Consult your doctor or a qualified fitness professional to develop a safe and effective exercise plan tailored to your individual needs and health status. They can guide you on the appropriate intensity, frequency, and duration of exercise based on your specific condition. Remember, exercise should be a tool to improve your health, not a source of additional stress. Gradual progression and mindful listening to your body are key to reaping the benefits of exercise while managing anemia. While dietary and lifestyle changes can significantly improve anemia, it's crucial to consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Self-treating based on symptoms alone can be risky and may not address the underlying cause of your anemia. A simple blood test can determine if you have anemia and identify the specific type and severity. Your doctor will consider your medical history, dietary habits, and lifestyle factors to recommend the most appropriate course of action. Treatment may involve iron supplements, dietary adjustments, addressing underlying medical conditions, or a combination of approaches. Following your doctor's recommendations and attending follow-up appointments are essential for effective management. Remember, early diagnosis and personalized treatment can make a significant difference in addressing anemia and preventing potential complications. Don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice if you suspect you may be anemic. Combating anemia is not just about addressing a deficiency, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle that benefits your overall well-being. By adopting these natural strategies, you're making a conscious decision to nourish your body and optimize its functions. Increasing your intake of iron-rich foods, maximizing absorption with vitamin C, and ensuring adequate folate and B12 levels provide your body with the essential building blocks for healthy blood. Being mindful of iron absorption inhibitors and incorporating regular exercise further enhances your body's ability to utilize iron effectively. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your routine and gradually build upon them. Celebrate your successes and be patient with yourself throughout the process. By prioritizing your blood health, you're investing in your overall vitality and paving the way for a healthier, more energetic you. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.